That was so fast. It was awesome. That's what she said. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh my god, my name is George. I just came to this party. I don't know what's going on, but I was walking one day and I just stumbled on this backyard. And these people were just like lighting this little firecrackers. And I was just like, I don't want to join. I'm a little drunk.
Light it.
Light it.
You run and go. Oh, I just did.
No, she meant light it.
Oh, Lena.
Oh,
So dangerous,
there's
eh?
no light. All right.
Doesn't work.
Block it from the wind. Block it from the wind. There you go.
Otter.
You only have one.
Pathetic.
Sorry.
Hurry up, Otter.
No pressure.
Okay, you know what? It's not working.
Okay, bye.